Hey, it's Joe from Rapid Roofing, and if you own or manage a commercial property on Long Island, this video is for you. Your commercial roof is getting hit hard out here. Nor'easters, coastal salt air, brutal freeze-thaw cycles. And the problem is, most commercial roofs are out of sight and out of mind, until water is dripping into your office or warehouse and the damage has already spread. So let's get into it. Here are 8 warning signs your commercial roof needs repair right now. First things first. Active leaks and water stains inside the building. Brown or yellowish ceiling stains, sagging tiles, a musty smell you can't trace to a plumbing issue. I gotta be real with you. By the time water is dripping from your ceiling, the damage has usually been building for months. Don't ignore it. Next up, ponding water on your roof surface. If water is sitting on your flat roof more than 48 hours after rain, that is a serious problem. Water weighs about 5.2 pounds per square foot per inch of depth. That adds up fast, and it breaks down your membrane over time. Moving on, membrane blisters and cracks. Walk your roof twice a year and look for raised bubbles or soft spots on the surface. Those blisters form when moisture gets trapped beneath the membrane. Long Island's freeze-thaw cycles make this way worse than you'd see in most other markets. A blister larger than a few inches? Get a pro out there. Now let's talk about your drainage system. Blocked drains and downspouts are one of the most common causes of commercial roof damage we see. A single nor'easter can clog multiple drain cages in one shot. Salt air corrodes the metal fast out here on the coast. Check those drains monthly and after every major storm. Another thing to look for: damaged seams and flashing. Seams and flashing around your HVAC units, skylights, and vents are the most common entry points for water on a flat roof. If you see rust stains near penetrations or any lifted edges, that's a red flag. Here's a big one that a lot of people miss: rust on your interior structural elements. If you're seeing rust on beams, joists, or the underside of your roof deck, water has been sitting up there for a long time. Do not wait on this one. At that stage, you could be looking at not just a roof replacement, but a full deck replacement too. Also, keep an eye on your energy bills. If your heating and cooling costs have crept up with no clear reason, your roof insulation may be saturated with moisture. Wet insulation loses most of its thermal resistance. On Long Island, where energy costs are already above the national average, a compromised roof can cost you thousands extra every year. And finally, age. EPDM and PVC membranes last about 20 to 30 years. TPO and modified bitumen are closer to 15 to 20. If your roof is approaching that range, schedule an inspection even if everything looks fine from the inside. Hidden deterioration is very common in older systems. Here's a quick rule of thumb before I wrap up. If the damage is under 25% of your roof surface, repair it. If repairs would cost more than 40% of a full replacement, it's time to replace. And if you're somewhere in between, a silicone roof coating restoration might be the smartest move. It costs about 65% of a full replacement, extends your warranty, and can cut your energy costs by around 20%. At Rapid Roofing, we serve commercial properties all across Nassau and Suffolk County. If you're seeing any of these warning signs, give us a call. We'll come out and take a look. No pressure, just honest answers.